So initially the sister comes in with this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan with an oil leak because Tiguan was designed with a plastic oil pan. That was replaced. Then we have the plastic upper timing chain cover. Plastic upper timing chain cover. That was also replaced. That was roughly $300 per, so we're at $600 now. So after I'm done with the oil timing chain and all that, the upper timing chain cover and all that good stuff, then it's gonna start the car. Car doesn't start. It only starts with the good battery pack on it. So what I'm attempting to do now is to take the battery out of the car. This shit is crazy. This is Volkswagen, so that's why I said let these white folks have a car, because now I'm finna bust her for $60 on the battery replacement. Okay, so I'm gonna charge it. I've got to hook the battery up to my RV, give it a trickle charger. It's not even trickle charger, it's 12 direct volts on that. So I've taken this thing out. This part comes out. Does it wiggle from there? Hell no. But as experience has taught me, move things forward. And there you have it. 3 tycoons weighing in at 300 pounds plus. You understand that? Man, this thing is not light. Okay, here's my setup. If my solar panel was working, then this battery should be 12, 13, 14 volts. Okay, so when I touch this terminal or this prod to that terminal, you should see a number. 13 volts. So let's take these off and see what the battery is reading independently without these. Now the battery is at a discharge, but it's holding 1291 right now. So what you want to do right now at this very moment is go stick it on a charger. And the charger I'm referring to is one of these. You'll plug it into the wall, hook this up to your battery, press charge. That will fully and completely charge your battery, because as your car sits for, I don't know, 3-4 months, 2 years, your battery's at a deep discharge, and it means that you just can't charge it up with a wall charger. You got to take it to a professional shop or AutoZone, have them fully charge it, and hell, sometimes they can't even charge them. This is how I revigorate the batteries. Otherwise, what's going to happen is that you're going to go to battery reconditioning, and that takes up to 24 hours, and sometimes it doesn't work. But with my little handy dandy, that's coming straight off of the solar panel, and I've got jumper cables hooked up to the battery to charge it. Now this battery may not be holding much juice, but it's showing that it's still at 1286. You could technically start your car with this right now. So what I'm going to do is go straight from the solar panel over to the table to this battery, and it's reading 345 now. Let's put the terminals on it. Put that terminal on there. Yeah, leave his ass on there for about an hour or so, 2 hours, whatever it takes. Now let's take the terminals off and see how high it is already. Remove this negative. We were at 345. We're at 424 now. Battery may be bad. See how it's leaking out? That rapid drop. Yeah, this battery's bad actually, but we're gonna charge it anyway to try to recondition it. Now this isn't prescribed for Volkswagen. This is all cars, such as Volkswagen, Honda, GMC, Chevy, Ford, Acura, Dodge, Ford, and any other vehicle with a 12, 13, 14, 15 volt alternator and battery. You can get the same test, the same charge. This is Billy, your mobile mechanic. I'm at 909-486-6891. Good morning to the snoring.